Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a wig I got from Hairvivi. So the wig comes in a box like this, and when you open it up, the first thing you see is the welcome paper from Hairvivi. Then the wig comes in a plastic bag as so. And then you're going to see your order summary. They gifted me a comb. And they also gifted me 2 hair clips. You can never go wrong with more hair clips. I always lose mine, so quite happy about that. So first things first, when you take the wig out of the bag, you see that it is protected by a hairnet. So I'm going to go ahead and take that hairnet off. And the wig is so soft, you guys. It is so soft, so silky. The ends have a slight bump to them. And the hairline looks so natural and so real. So getting into the construction of the cap, it has 3 combs in the front, as well as an elastic band. You have the option to get an elastic band or not. It has a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and lace in the back in case you want to tie your wig up in a ponytail. So I'm starting off with my natural hair. I'm going to just part it down the middle. And I'm going to tie one side up. As I proceed to braid down the other side, I'm going to do just simple pigtails. I do not use anything to secure the end, so I'm going to go ahead and take one end, wrap it around, use a bobby pin and secure it. Take the other end, wrap it around the opposite side, take another bobby pin and secure it, and I am all ready and set for this beautiful wig. Take my wig cap, go ahead and put it on, and I'm all ready to go. I want to see what this wig looks like straight out the package. I don't want to put no foundation or anything on it, even though the knots are bleached. So now that the lace is off, that's pretty. It's natural. Very natural looking. It is a little thin, so if you're gonna wear this wig, you better make sure that your hair is like braided up underneath it. You ain't got no lumps, no humps, no bumps in the trunk, you know, because it will show. Real quick about the hair, I just want to get into the specs of the hair. So the hair type is Indian virgin hair. It is 16 inches. The color is as pig, so it has these 2 blonde highlights, brown there, and then like the bottom of it's even more chocolate brown. The hair density, I got it in 150%. Cap construction, 4.5 inches of a lace front, so it is not a full lace wig, it is only a lace front. Cap size is a medium. At first I wanted to get a small, but then I told them to change it to a medium. And I think that I have a small head, but the medium actually fits perfect. I didn't have to put no adjustable straps or anything on it. And then I did get the whole front of the knots bleached and the elastic band added for free. So yeah, it took a while to come because when I ordered it around the Chinese New Year time. So it did take about a month to come, but it's well worth it, well worth it. So only thing I want to do now is just straighten it and see what it looks like straightened. Alright, so my flat iron. I'm not gonna lie, I wish it was longer, just a tad bit longer. thought 16 inches was longer on me for this shit here. Pretty sure. I don't know, it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous unit. I do not like them bump ends. Yeah, straighten those out. So now that it's straightened, what do you guys think? I don't know if my jacket is kind of throwing it off. You guys can take my jacket off. Ooh. It's pretty. So that's it, guys. This is Hairvivi Eva Wig. I'm loving it. You get it. I know you will love it too. Hairvivi, I made a good decision by choosing you guys because I don't know how to do wigs. I don't know how to pluck them. I don't know how to bleach knots. So all this waiting and all that extraness is worth it because I don't know how to do that. And I would have messed up this unit if I would have did that myself. But overall, it looks really good. I'm happy. So yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to me, and I'll see y'all in my next video.